We all want to be and stay healthy, and it all starts with pure water. Zip's patented 4-stage filtration technology transforms ordinary tap water into clean, healthy, delicious, and alkaline drinking water. Zip doesn't need any installation or setup and comes with all the filters pre-installed for your convenience. 4 large-capacity filtration stages remove up to 99% of all harmful contaminants while maintaining a small footprint and stylish look. Zip's replacement filters are substantially larger in size comparing to other countertop water filters and last a whole year before needing to be replaced. Stage 1. 5-micron sediment filter. Unique gradient pore structure with outer section trapping larger and the inner section for smaller particles. It effectively removes particles like sediment and rust. Stage 2. Activated carbon block filter. Removes harmful chemical residues and carcinogens such as THMs and pesticides. Large absorption capability effectively removes odors and VOCs. Stage 3. Reverse osmosis membrane. 75-gallon per day reverse osmosis membrane purifies water virtually from all the harmful contaminants. It's the heart of the reverse osmosis system. Stage 4. Exclusive alkaline post filter. Polishing carbon alkaline post filter returns beneficial minerals, calcium and magnesium, to purified water for the best taste. It also increases the alkalinity of the water to a perfectly balanced level of 7 to 8 pH. Zip is simple to use, maintain, and it will look great in your kitchen. You will love how the Zip filtered water tastes. Get yours today.
Let's take a look inside our AquaTrue and see how it works. AquaTrue is powered by our patented 4-stage ultra-reverse osmosis technology. In stage 1, the water passes through a mechanical pre-filter that removes larger particles like sediment and rust. Stage 2 is the carbon filter that removes chlorine and chloramines. In stage 3, a high-pressure pump pushes the water through the reverse osmosis membrane, filtering out dangerous inorganic chemicals including lead, chromium-6, arsenic, uranium, nitrates, and lots of other nasty stuff. And in stage 4, the water passes through our activated coconut block filter, which removes organic compounds including rocket fuel, prescription drug residue, and PFAS, leaving you with pure, great-tasting water. Finally, your purified water collects in the clean water tank for easy dispensing, while all that bad stuff is captured and concentrated in the tap water tank so you can easily discard it.
Installing the Brondell Cypress Countertop Water Filtration System is simple. Follow these steps to install and use your water filter. Before installation, please watch our Quick Connects tutorial found on Brondell.com, as all of our water filtering systems use these types of plumbing connections. The Cypress Water Filtration System has 2 possible installation methods. The first method shown explains installation with the provided faucet diverter, followed by an alternate under-counter installation option. To complete installation with the faucet diverter, locate and remove the original aerator from the faucet. Insert the rubber washer into the threaded side of the provided diverter and connect to the faucet, using one of the 3 provided adapters if the diverter does not thread onto the faucet. Hand tighten to secure. Do not over-tighten. Insert one end of the white tubing into the gray quick connection on the diverter. Next, locate the gray plug in the elbow on the back of the Cypress. Using the tool found inside the lid of the Cypress, press down on the ring above the elbow and pull the plug out. Insert the open side of the white tubing into the elbow. Move the system over the sink. Point the diverter switch up to the faucet. Turn on the cold water and point the diverter switch to the white tubing. Then press the button on top of the Cypress to dispense water into the sink. Let the system run for 10 minutes to flush the system and activate the filters. After 10 minutes, press the button to stop the water, point the diverter to the faucet and turn off the cold water. The Cypress installation with faucet diverter is complete. To install your Cypress with the alternative under-counter T-valve, please complete the following. First, note the size of the water supply connection under your sink and visit Brondell.com to purchase your Cypress H630 alternative installation T-valve in the correct size. When ready to complete installation, turn off the cold water supply under the sink at the wall. Turn on the faucet to drain any residual water. Disconnect the cold water supply line from the shutoff valve. Insert the provided rubber washer into the female end of the purchased T-valve and connect it to the cold water shutoff. Reconnect the faucet water supply hose to the top of the T-valve. Locate the provided white tubing and insert it into the elbow at the back of the Cypress and position the Cypress over the sink as noted earlier. Run the tubing to the T-valve under the counter. There are many options, but in this installation, we are drilling a 1/4-inch hole into our laminate countertop before pushing the tubing through the hole. If drilling a new hole is required for installation, please consult a professional. Back under the sink, insert the open end of the white tubing into the open end of the T-valve. Point the T-valve switch up to the metal supply hose. Turn on the cold water supply valves and check for leaks. Point the T-valve switch to the white tube to run water to the Cypress system. With the Cypress over the sink, depress the button and flush the filters for 10 minutes. To stop the flow of water, press the button on top of the system. Your Cypress is ready to be used with just the push of a button. Congratulations! Your Cypress water filtration installation is complete. Please contact Brondell Customer Support for any additional questions.